Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make an image move in Canva. Right, so if you want to make an image that is currently static to move around on your slide or in an image you have and you want to make a GIF out of that image, here's how to do it. So all you have to do is first select the image you want to move, and then we have to use the animate feature in Canva. I think this is a free feature, but some of the features here are part of the Canva Pro subscription. If you don't have a subscription and you want to use a Pro feature here, you can use the link in the description below and get a 30-day free trial. But how you can make this image move, as you can see, there are some basic animations here that you can apply to this image. You can use this exaggerate option here, as you can see, or these photo movement options. But my favorite one are these motion effects. So you can rotate an image, you can flicker, pulse, or wiggle. And the best one is the create an animation. So this custom animation option. So if you select this one, what you can do is just select the image and drag the element, and Canva will save this movement here. So let's see. So as you can see, you can move the cat or the image around. And as you can see, it will save the movement. You can also increase the speed. It will be really fast if you want, or you can make it really slow if you want to do that. And you can add additional motion effects if you want to do that. And once you have added the animation, just click on done. And as you can see, if you click here, you can preview the animation. Then you can also download this as a GIF or as a video, as you can see here. So all in all, this is how you can make an image move in Canva. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Canva checklist for free, where we reveal a ton of ways how you can make money with Canva and get other free Canva online marketing and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below, where you can also sign up for Canva Pro for 14 days for free. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Canva, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials.